So we're in Fresno, California. We just finished installing a Badger 1/3 horsepower garbage disposal. It's in-sink aerator, and this is pretty standard for all new tract homes. And I mean, for the last 30 years, we've been installing these guys. Certainly get something bigger, but these are entry level, so a cost-efficient unit for any tract home. So, anyways, that's installed. We did replace the basket strainer, the mounting flange up top here, and sometimes you get away with not replacing them, and as long as they're installed correctly, that's fine, because the mounting system is compatible with any in-sink aerator. Also, I believe Moen, Delta, some of the other manufacturers have made their mounting bracket to fit with this portion of the bracket, which is this mounting assembly, and of course this quick connect. And so all you have to do is pop this loose and put a new one in, and you're done. Well, we like to put the new flange in with it. This guy right here, and the reason being is, it's another 10 minutes. It comes with it anyways, the part does. And if you don't put it in and then something develops a leak up there, my point of view is I think you're responsible for that. Other plumbers would say, no, the flange wasn't leaking when we installed the disposal, so not our problem. Well, so it's all in. The new flange, the new disposal, and then of course the point of connections back here, kind of tight back in the corner. You can see the 7/8 hose coming up and down from the air gap. That's reinstalled. New hose clamp is on there, and then of course the new adjustable arm sitting right here. This schedule 40. No, it's actually a tubular plastic arm, the 90-degree arm that comes there and mounts into the waste assembly. So this is existing. The nut right here. Get you a better light right there. The nut sitting right here, the adapter, the 45, the tailpiece. So all the waste assembly is there. There's nothing. We haven't touched anything on this side. We've done no work on the water pipe. So the shutoff valves belong to the home. The T, the water connectors, the connector that goes over to the dishwasher, that is all theirs. Air gap. The only thing we've installed brand new is the disposal and the mounting flange, and then we've reconnected the 7/8 discharge hose, and of course put the new waste arm that comes with the kit. So that's installed. We run water down it. There's no leaks, no runs, no errors. Outside of that, this installation is done.